problem that we face in our study area is lack of learning tools. Learning tools in the classroom has a problem such as ink outage, whiteboard eraser worn out and missing. The student also complain drawing that drawn by lecturer sometimes vague and ugly. It causes the student difficult to understand and focus in the class.
The solution to fix this problem is provide smartboard or interactive whiteboard in each of class. This smartboard has a touch control screen that works in conjunction with a projector and a computer. The projector puts the computer desktop image onto the interactive whiteboard, which acts as both a monitor and an input device.
Interactive whiteboards or smartboard can be connected to the internet, which gives you a resource of online tools and information. Various media types can display on smartboards, whether photo, graph, maps, or illustration.
Lecturers have access to various sources to enhance and support their lesson with video, articles, image, learning tools, and more. Students also have a rich resource for research and learning.
Another problem is students facing difficulties looking for lecture office or any location around study places. The solution to solve this problem is students can provide any solution to include a Unimas map in Unimas Now app. The map will provide lecture room, number and location, plus they can ease the student to submit the assignment, because usually a student must submit the hard copy. This will help a lot to a new student or any client visiting Unimas and having an appointment to meet with Unimas staff. That's all. Thank you.
As a student in Unimas, the attendance will be taken by scanning the QR code via the Unimas Now application that can be downloaded from the App Store or Play Store. However, students cannot scan the QR code whenever the internet connection is down or lost. To solve this problem, a fingerprint or thumbprint scanner could be set up. The attendance would be based on the student's fingerprint. So, taking on this advantage of this fingerprint scanner, there will be no fake attendance occur in the class. As a backup plan, manual attendance could be set up if the fingerprint scanner is broken.
One of the many problems that students and staffs go through in our area of study, which is Faculty of Engineering Unimas, is that kiosk does not have enough change for every one of its customers. It's very inconvenient. Students and staff have to wait for their change. Imagine if those people have other work to do. So, the solution for this problem is set up an e-payment cashless app. The merchants can set up e-payment methods such as using Boost app or Touch and Go e-wallet or Sarawak Pay or other cashless app. E-payment app. Using these apps, it will not disturb anyone's schedule, and the transaction will be smooth as long as one has good internet connection and has the app also has connected their bank account to the respective e-payment app. This method also is convenient to the customer because they don't have to carry much on them.
Problem is indeed a bit troublesome. So we decide the best solution is turn to apps. You must use e-learning in the form of the elite website that is currently in use. The elite that can only be opened through the website is a bit frustrating as it takes time and sometimes crashes as many students go to the same page, especially when submitting to online tests. So, elite should be upgraded to the app to make it easier for the student while saving time, reducing the percentage to crash, and the most important thing is user friendly. That's all. Thank you.
For me, the real life problem that always happen is when students don't know or forget Unimas bus schedule, especially the new intake year 1 student. They often get confused by the schedule, some of them waiting at the bus stop without realizing that the bus already departed earlier. To overcome this problem, students should use reminder apps which is available on iOS and Android. There are lots of this kind of apps that can help them to manage their time properly. Students also can use their knowledge to build an app based on what they had learned by using C++ to build Unimas shuttle bus schedule. With these ways, the problem can be solved and overcome.
One of the problems that Unimas students face is its Wi-Fi network connection. To solve this problem, Unimas should put more Wi-Fi router inside their facilities. As a university student, having a bad connection to the internet surely will affect our study and performance. As Unimas introduced its QR code system, they should also have provide a safe and fast internet connection, so the student and staff will be easy to use this system. This system surely will help the student by saving more their pocket money due to inexpensive mobile plan, and also will not stress the student about their money management. By building more Wi-Fi router inside facilities, surely will boost performance of the student in the study.
Poor data connection. Nowadays, COVID pandemic has invaded the whole world, causing everyone to be required to do the indoor activity only. This has forced the university to hold online learning sessions. This could make it difficult for the students in the rural area to attend the online class due to the lack of internet access. The solution for the poor data connection is lecturer can be doing the offline teaching, where the lecturer only needs to upload the videos on the YouTube, so that the student who has the problem with internet connection can download the videos or watching the video after get a better internet connection. So this can prevent students from miss. Thank you.